It all started with a binge-watching spree of Netflix crime documentaries. I'm also listening to a lot of crime story podcasts. I'm a big crime junkie fan. I stumbled upon Paul's video claiming you can make a Netflix-style documentary about literally anything. So challenge accepted. During filming, I trip on my cords because I'm a one-woman production. There are 5 key elements I learned from Paul. First one, of course, lighting. You notice in Netflix documentary those people faces with a shadowy look. This will add an air of suspense and mystery. Number 2 tip I always do, 2 angles. No more dull talking heads. Number 3, we need a timeline. Every great story needs a structure, weaving together the moments when the chili sauce crime unfolded and the family drama shimmered. Next, I grab some stock footage. It makes me look like I have $1 million budget. To add flavor to the mix, I spice things up with B-roll footage. The last thing I need to make this Netflix-worthy experience is dramatic music and titles. Then we blend all this together. You got this.
Yahoo!
In the world of social media sensation, CookingBomb, she had it all. Fame, followers, and her world-famous chili sauce. But one day, the unthinkable happened. I was in the kitchen using my chili sauce for my noodles. It was 1 p.m. The last time I saw my chili sauce. Sometime between I went to the mailroom, then I came back to the kitchen. They were gone. It's like they vanished into thin air. I'm Danny Scully, a FBI agent. I'm gonna be honest. Walking up to this crime scene after 30 years. The sad part, CookingBomb lost her chili sauce right here, a few feet from us. Just kind of rushes over you. Her husband?
Hello?
Hi.
The neighbor?
I'm out of MSG.
Come in.
Who came over just borrow MSG? Or her kids? Everyone is a suspect.
I don't know what happened. I'm her husband. I would never eat the sauce with a fork. We use chopsticks in this house.
Seems like a lot of rage. There was a lot of hunger in the way the crime committed.
I hope no more jars get stolen and eaten.
We are dealing with a very hungry individual. A serial eater? 3 jars in a row. I'm thinking, not another one. Not another one.
You take a jar and eat the 3 jars?
No.
Where's my sauce? You ate my sauce. 3 jars are missing. Let's go.
As the spice of suspicion heats up, the question remains. Who ate CookingBomb chili sauce? The moment of truth is coming only on CookingBomb.com.